Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get a custom ball on Rocket League PC. So first of all, you will need to install Bacchus mod. If you don't know how to install it or you don't have it, I'm going to leave the link in the description for you to check it out and how to install it. After you will have Bacchus mod, you should be able to open it up here on Rocket League and you would have here all of the plugins. Now what we actually need is AlphaConsole plugin. So to have it, you want to go to Rocket League, to bucketplugins.com, and you want to go ahead and download it here. Once you will click install with Bacchus mod, this will pop up. You want to go ahead and click on open plugin installer and it should install with no errors. After you will have it, once you go here on AlphaConsole, you can click toggle AlphaConsole menu. And after that, you will see here ball option. As you can see, you can choose either this one or default. So to add it, we first need to download the mod. So we want to go ahead to your browser and go to video game mods and find on Rocket League. You can search for ball. So for today, let's for example choose this Monster Energy ball and just go ahead and download it. Now, after you will have it, you want to go ahead and unzip it. So just go ahead and click extract all, and I'm just going to leave it on desktop. Now, once you have extracted, you will have two files, PNG and JSON. You want to open up now your AlphaConsole and then click on ball, and on ball textures, you want to click open directory. After this, as you can see, there's two files. This is the default one. Now you want to go ahead and drag both of these files here. Now let's go ahead and close this. And now you may need to reload your game because sometimes it doesn't show up. So let me do that. So now once I have reloaded the game, here you have it now. You can go ahead and change to it. And now to check if that worked, we need to go ahead and click on play. And now here you have it. Here's our monster ball. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.